Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Dave in the Kitchen. Today I want to show you the way I make my chili cheese dogs. Very delicious, easy to make. Okay, now we're gonna put some hot dogs in here. Okay, next I'm gonna take this grater and I'm gonna grate all this. Okay, we're going to sprinkle this around. Make sure this gets all the way around this, and that's good. Okay, we're going to pop this into the microwave. Okay, now we're going to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on this. Alright, we're going to do a taste test on this. Look at all that cheese. Look at this in the middle. That's definitely got some cheese on it. But this is so messy, I'm gonna have to use I'm just gonna dig in. Look at that. Oh my god. That is so good. Anyways, I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you do, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss the SO of my videos. And y'all have a wonderful day.